This 2018 CrossRoads Zinger ZR333DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Willow Street. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.